Hello guys, this is Danny with ParTay. You can see it's in the afternoon. We got some nice daylight outside going on. I've also got the overhead right above our projector here, so excuse me, let me slide that back. So we got our overhead above our projector there, and I want to zoom, make it a little woozy. Wanted to show you. So once again, 23 lumen projector. Look at that image. That one went a little dark, but hold on, I'll be right back. There we go. So you can see really nice color. I mean, you know, all relative to this is 23 lumens. You know, so 23 lumens. Shouldn't even really be getting an image, but yet I'm getting this really nice, colorful nighttime imagery with the bright colors, and all at 23 lumens. But let me show you something. Also, just need to show that was approximately right at 58 inches or so, almost 5 feet, not quite 5 feet. This is where folks, if they're not careful, get duped whenever they're watching some of these online videos, because light play, camera play, way that they angle things like that, and you know, if it looks suspicious, it probably is. If you look at this, that shiny panel, that's pure metallic. I can get anything small to reflect off of it, but if you put it in front of a big projector, it looks nasty. You know, you can see our formulas here. That's just a test panel, but non-reflective, it's diffusive, so it really works in ambient light. Something like this, you can't throw enough light at it and have it look good in an ambient environment. So buyer beware. I have nothing to sell you, so I'm not gaining anything, losing anything. I just love the community and want to help folks, so just want you to be aware. Once again, buyer beware.